Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Today we'll be talking about Augustine Okrah. I know a lot of you have been seeing news that he's on his way out of Asante Kotoko. Yeah, I've seen it too. We know he played our first game against 11 Wonders, got injured and left in the first half, but now we are hearing he's on the verge of completing a move to RS Berkane, and reports are stating that Asante Kotoko and RS Berkane of Morocco, they've accepted a 138,000 euros, or is it pounds, euros, deal. The deal is worth 138,000 euros for 27-year-old Augustine Okrah, who has 8 months left on his contract. I think it's a fair price considering the fact that he has the 8 months on his contract, because if we allow him to stay, he might as well leave on free, just like Sonny Yakuba did. So for that fee, I think it's quite fair, but there's a problem. We never expected Kotoko to sell Augustine Okrah. I don't think this is what Kotoko were envisioning before the season begins, because there's no replacement. We haven't signed Max Webako. He left. We haven't signed him. His contract expired. He left. And people are saying Max Webako. I agree with them that Max Webako would have been the perfect replacement for Augustine Okrah, but we haven't signed him. But we still have time to sign him so that he can play in the CAF competition, since the Ghana Premier League transfer window has closed. So, but I don't understand why we would let Okrah go without getting a replacement. I mean, we don't have that quality players. Augustine Okrah is one of the quality players we have, and we are letting him go without getting a proper replacement. When I say, I don't mean replacement, I mean a proper replacement. If we can get a proper replacement, then no problem, he's free to go. But now we don't have a proper replacement. It's going to cause problems. We are competing for the CAF Champions League. Remember, if it was the Ali game and the Zamalek game last night, you know that for you to get to that stage, you have to be quality. Your squad has to be quality. The coaching, the tactics has to be clear and precise. That is how you get to finals. But if you start selling your important players, I don't think you get there. I don't think you can envision yourself like you can hope to get to that particular place in the future. So that is the place I have problem with Kotoko, selling Augustine Okrah, because we are selling our quality players without replacing them, and that is going to cause problems in the club. We don't have good players to replace. See Sonny Yakuba left. Alright, we got the chance to sign Kwame Oboku and some other players. That is plan. We plan for that. Sonny Yakuba goes, but the problem is that we shouldn't have let him go for free. There were times people offered some money. We deemed it not big enough, or not huge enough, or not suitable enough for the player, and we let him go for free. Forgot about that because they've signed Kwame Oboku and some other players, no problem. But letting Okrah go, bad decision. But yes, the money is good. We need the money because we've spent a lot in rebuilding this world. We need the money, but we haven't replaced him. We can win 1 or 2 games, but there are some important games where we need finesse, we need skill, we need experience. And Augustine Okrah, those kind of players that can bring, they can just put out a very impressive performance, or just spawn out something from thin air. They just show us that, oh, they have this experience to change the game. And we don't have those kind of players anymore. Augustine Okrah is gone, and now we don't have replacement. Alright, most of you might agree with me, most of you might not agree with me, but I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section. Personally, I don't agree with that deal because we don't have replacement. Now, let's back Max Webako go. If you know Augustine Okrah is going to leave the club, why not keep Max Webako? It's very simple. You sell, you replace. If not, the squad will be too thin and too poor. You should be strengthening the squad, not weakening them. So I think it's a good deal if you're thinking about money, but if you think about the squad depth, performance, and the quality around the squad, it's a very, very bad deal because there haven't been any replacement. So I'd like to know your thoughts on this issue. Put them in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. Like this video and share it to your friends. My name is Clinton Leto. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.